Hey everyone, you're here again with Josh Deane for an amazing cocktail session. Now today we have teamed up with Melbourne legends Baxter Vodka to bring you a Cloudy Apple Cosmo. Now the reason I had to read that one is because we're back in lockdown here in Melbourne. I don't have Rich by my side. I don't have him to tell me how to make this drink or take me through it. So the guys at Baxter have sent me over the ingredients list and a method to make this. I'm gonna post it below for you all, so you can all try it and you can help me get through this lockdown, help yourself get through this lockdown, and we can all enjoy this amazing cocktail. So we start off with our shaker. Now, if I can remember from Rich, it was 30 mils of this one, 15 mils for this one. So we're doing 30 mils of the Baxter Vodka. Yeehaw. And then we do 15 mils of Orange Liqueur. So that's the small side. One of those. We do a 20 mil Cranberry, so I'm gonna use the big one, and we'll just go to about there. We've gone a little dash over. Should be okay, this is my first try.
Maybe it's my first time. I know these things that happen all the time, but it's my first time.
And then we'll go 15 mil Cloudy Apple, so just another one on the small side. Cool. Alrighty, so pop that to the side, get a lime. Now you want to slice her up into 4 wedges. So that's in halves, and then halves again. Now squeeze these guys up. What does Rich always say? Got to keep the toxins out of the skin. So we're gonna pop this one, squeeze lime wedges into the shaker. Keep squeezing. Now I think I'm meant to pop the lime in. I'm gonna pop the lime in because we are straining this one, so.
So a squeeze, let
Here we go. Look at this. Now this is going to be a really nice. Oh, it squirted all over me. Jeez.
Squeeze, let go.
Awesome. Okay. Pop this one in. Oh wait, before I forget, headed over to 7-Eleven before and I got some ice. Pop that in there. There's about roughly 1 cup into my shaker. Now the guys have said in here to just shake it, so just shake away. I'll pop the cap off that. Now I just got a tea strainer for this one. I'll just pour that over. Usually at the bars they would have fancy ass strainers, but because we're back in lockdown in Melbourne, we're just gonna use a tea strainer for that. Oh guys, well, Baxter Vodka, you have done it. This looks beautiful. I'm quite impressed. And there you go, hey presto. Oh, a Cloudy Apple Cosmo. So, what we're doing is actually a little giveaway with the guys at Baxter. All you've got to do is comment below, tagging a friend, and head over and follow Baxter Vodka Instagram for your chance to win one of these, and then you can have one of these. Enjoy. Yeehaw!